later start do up. Okay. So we need ADAS. ADAS calibration. This is for not just for ADAS calibration for the camera. So what is the camera used for? The camera is used for payback, then departure, warning. So all kind of the car have then departure now. So what is they? They help you to find out lane of the route and make sure you are in the middle. Okay? There is the safety features that inside out of it, and even if you change the windscreen on the car, you need to pay attention. Okay, so this otherwise not just camera. It's also we need to pay back with the radar. The radar normally will be in front of the logo, some of the car is behind the logo, and some of the radar is inside the bumper. So the bumper also need to be paid. So the calibration not just the camera, is also with the radar, and also 360 camera on the side mirror. As you see the side mirror, but inside there is a camera, and after you do changing the side mirror, you need a calibration. Okay, without it, in the behind bumper and the bumper, you have what we call it parking sensor. Okay, for ADAS calibration, we call it also solar sensor. This will figure out how the car coming in, and inside the behind of the bumper we operate with the blind spot monitor sensor. So the blind spot monitor sensor will be on the left and on the right. This calibration kit will do it for you. So the ADAS calibration will include a corner reflector. So the corner reflector you need to calibrate some of the radar that you give away from, you need to return back. Okay, for just for your reference, some of my behind bumper, when you do it, the blind spot monitor sensor calibration, the reflector will have a laser point out the right way. Okay, if you don't have the laser, either it's point to the left or point to the right, you don't know. Okay, so if you're doing a blind spot, probably you do it like this. Okay, so we don't have, we cannot do it here, because when you do the BSN or ADAS calibration, you need to keep it off. Okay, for the metal, this kind of metal will interrupt. Will interrupt you to do the calibration. So, either you need the calibration, you need 3 meters away from the reflector. So you put in here to do the calibration. So the calibration will operate on the schedules. Okay, the schedules will operate on the blind spot, and you go to a blind spot system, do the special function. Just a special function, the radar will reflect this corner reflector, and they will figure out which area they need to calibrate. Okay, so it is a blind spot. If you're doing the camera calibration, the camera, it will be in there, right? So it will be in here. Okay? So the camera calibration, before you do the camera calibration, so you need information about the target board. Okay? So this is the kind of the target board for the ADAS calibration mirror. Okay, for the front mirror calibration, then you need to know some in the list. Okay, the car software inside here, and you will see here at the diagnostic tool. So the diagnostic tool, if you cannot see, you can see on the TV. Okay, so this is the ADAS calibration. Before you want to get the calibration to you, actually you cannot do the ADAS calibration directly on this kind of situation. Because this kind of situation, what we have a lot of the human is interrupt and a lot of the lights will be interrupt. Okay, why we need to know about this? Because the camera looks like our eyes. Okay, our eyes need to do? We need to know the zoom. Okay, the zoom, how much the zoom? If you wrong zoom, it becomes blur. So that's why the camera you need to do a calibration for their zoom. Okay, when they are zoom, they will be affected by a lot of the light, especially the light like that. Okay, the light will be added to the camera. This is one of the issues, and when you having the ADAS calibration on the rooftop, make sure you avoid this. You cannot direct sunlight to the car. Okay? Where the sunlight can come from outside of the car. If the east direction is over, that direction is over. Okay? So when you do the ADAS calibration, we can try to do it. Okay, if you cannot see this, you can see this. Okay, inside the ADAS calibration, first we need to do is the Mercedes diagnosis first. Okay, the Mercedes diagnosis first. Just a normal scan for the car. Make sure is some of the items. Okay, you just use here. Okay, some of the items here is the ADAS. Okay, just look at after the diagnostic tool get the VIN number. After they get the VIN number, you figure out what is the order you have. Okay, so we will try to the basic version because we only the special function to do it. If you do it the online programming, online coding, we will go into the enhanced version. So as you know, our X41 scan tool is equipped with the high-speed scan. If you do it the high-speed scan, it will directly with just a few minutes, or no minutes, just a few seconds, if you can do dialogue to scan, okay, to scan all the system inside the okay, then a few seconds, okay, the car is below the 11 volt. I just want to show you the correctly step in here. Okay, so some of the ADAS calibration, maybe you don't know which is the system that we go into the ADAS. So the ADAS will mention, so why you mention the ADAS in here. Okay, multi-function camera and all kind of the system here. We go into the multi-function camera of this kind. Okay, for your information, ADAS calibration sound, they are changing the module, changing the full So before the new calibration,
okay.
you show up calibration required.
佢簽單，唔係，咁樣我唔得幫佢簽過，你嚟簽過得冇？因為係幫你買嘛，我可以幫你申報先啦，冇相關嘅。係我認唔到係邊個咗，除非佢認得出可能啊。好，OK 好。
What we need to do, we need to reset all of the situation here. So we try to do it one by one. Okay. So in here, we need to reset some of them here. And also, and here, maybe previously you already do some calibration. Okay. Okay, to reset it. So first stage, we need to reset. And the next step, we need to put on the wheel clamp. And the wheel clamp, okay, and the left side and the right side. The next item is this one tire board, okay, is for us to find out the distance. You can put it here to find out the distance. After that, we do it the second step, the next step. The next step is to do the center point, find the center point of the calibration. Okay, just below the center point. The center point we will have this laser. This laser will point out at the early logo. Okay, normally you will target the logo. Then go to the camera area. Okay, so as you see here, the target is very easy for you to do this. Okay, so and then follow up with the distance for the target. We need a 989 mm. Okay, we can do it like this. Okay, distance here to find out the correct distance to the So just follow the calibration schedule in here. Okay? Then you need to label this area. After you find out the center point, you need to label the species on the bubble here. Okay? So the bubble you can just find fine-tune the level. Okay, so this is the every step we will show up in the same way. Okay, next step, we need to find out the leveling on the left side and on the right side. Okay, so at the left side and right side, we have the center, and we have the left side, right side with the same because the scan tools show LA01 and 1 is to use these targets in here. Okay, so you just put on the center of it. Put on the center. Just follow what the scan tools step. Okay, and the next step is the height. Okay, the height is by here. Okay, by here is 11,1175. You just adjust 1175. And here, okay, if you are lazy to adjust, you can use a motor. Okay, the motor inside, you just have a button here, you can adjust the height. Okay? Yes, 1175. And the next step will be the calibration. Okay, so if we get the calibration, the camera will run, will reading is, okay, reading the camera, the target, okay, and we go to the calibration run. So, okay, so that this is a step, just a simple step to do a calibration, and you can find out with the ADAS calibration. So the step is all inside the X41. Okay? So inside the X41, there is a lot of the items that you can use it like this. The radar, the laser, okay? The laser you can find out to find a straight line. Maybe you can paste laser on the behind of the car to find out the center line. It's all free to do. Okay? So the ADAS calibration is just for regular